What up, YouTube? It's finally that time. After 3 weeks of waiting, that joint finally here. Finally here. Gonna get this big country joint up off here, man. It's ugly, it's quiet, and it just got to go. So before I take this joint off, I'm gonna let y'all hear it one more again. That's a cold start. The bike ain't been started in a few days. About 2 days. Been sitting all day. It ain't really cold outside, so I guess it technically ain't a cold start, but you get what y'all get what I'm saying. Huh? Yeah, I'll turn it off in a minute. It just sounds like that comes in the garage. Look up, it's too loud. Huh? Get this joint off, man. I'm gonna show you how the process. This is my first time changing the exhaust. I ain't never changed the exhaust on my own. So I'm gonna see what I got, man. I know I'm gonna get it done, but I'm gonna take y'all along the journey. First step done. You got the, what is it called? The servo buddy. I'll show y'all. If you got one of these bikes, it's called the servo buddy. And you're switching your factory exhaust for aftermarket exhaust. You're gonna need one of these to hook up to this joint. Because this hooks up to, the wires run all the way through here. Let me see if I can get a better angle for y'all. I was trying to have my wife record. She went in the house with the girls. So these wires gonna run all the way through here. As you can see them right here. And they run to the back to right here. So you'll have to disconnect all that. So now I'm gonna turn on the bike to make sure ain't no check engine light on. This is what's gonna stop the check engine light from coming on. Because without this, your bike gonna think something going on with the emissions, with the muffler, and you're gonna throw a light. So just to be sure, before I get all the way into breaking the exhaust down, I'm gonna turn the bike on to be sure I don't have a light. No light. So we good to go. So now we're gonna start with the breakdown. The rest is easy. That was the hardest part, getting to that. But the rest is easy. So I'm gonna put y'all back on time lapse, and we finna get this thing going. We got action. I finally got this big fuck off. You see I stopped the time lapse because this bitch moving my motherfucker. I'm sweating and shit. I'm getting though. Look at them cuts. You see them cuts? They thought he fell off. Ooh. Alright, let me get back to work. You got it on there. Just gotta tighten up. And I'm still trying to fish these damn servo wires out. This is giving me the hardest freaking problem. Getting these servo wires. I ain't trying to take apart too much stuff. It took me about what? 2 hours?
Maybe.
Go. You nervous?
Yeah.
Wait until the car stop coming over here.
Don't mind that oil, butter waste that shit in my garage. Sound good now, boy.